your presentations are boring, here's a trick that I guarantee will impress your audience. First, format the background by changing the color. Then insert a rounded corner rectangle on the slide. Adjust the corner radius. Duplicate the rectangle and send it to the back. Duplicate the rectangle again, scale it down, and align the rectangle. Then duplicate and align the small rectangle. Duplicate this rectangle, change the color, send the rectangle backwards, align it properly, and adjust the size. Then select all the rectangles and remove their outlines. Also, change the colors of these rectangles. Then select this rectangle and apply an outer shadow. Select all objects, group with Ctrl-G, align the grouped objects, and increase the size. Then hold Ctrl, Shift, and drag to duplicate the objects twice. Select all objects, then ungroup to get the individual shapes. Select these rectangles and increase their size. Then insert your text. Using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-G, group each of the rectangles with the text and reorder them, ensuring they are behind the rectangles with outer shadows. Also, ensure that the objects are aligned properly on the slide. Duplicate one of the rectangles, align it below, and increase the size. Then head to the Format options and apply the slide background fill. Select these objects and drag them downward. Duplicate the slide. Select the first object and drag it upwards. Duplicate the slide again. Drag the second object upward and drag the first object downward. Duplicate the slide again and repeat the process for the last slide. Once you're done, select all the slides, apply morph transitions, and reduce the duration. There you go. Now check out more amazing PowerPoint tutorials on my profile.